Greetings everyone, this is Donovan, and today I'll be giving a tutorial on how to push or send written code from VS Code to GitHub. We'll be using an example of pushing code from your Mbot. Alright, now the first step is to type in git status like you see in the top of the terminal and see what's been modified in the color red. From there, the next command I want to type in is git add, and works by either typing in the title of the file, hit the spot, or doing two dots as indicated in the modified title where you see the two dots before the location of the file. Otherwise, do a single dot to incorporate all modified files and not just one. Afterwards, I'll push enter, hopefully get a blue dot and see the next command line to see that I was successful in adding the file. In which I move to the next command, which is git commit, which is setting up the code that I staged with add, so that I will be able to send it to the repository. And also I have the -m to have the message indicating what I'm changing to the code, so someone looking knows what changed. Here I have adjusted the margin of hit the spot, so I know what changed with this code. And then I'm going to push enter to where I'll see what files changed by what was added and what was removed. Otherwise, as long as there's no error, I'll see that and move to the next command line. From this moment on, we now have our code staged and prepped to be sent to the GitHub repository. And this will be our last step in making sure everything has worked and is how we want it. So what we will do is type in git push, which will be the code for actually sending our modified files to the repository on GitHub. So as a quick reminder, add is to select, commit is to package files, and push is to actually send the code. So then I'm going to push enter and make sure we don't have any errors, which will be communicated in the lines below. However, if you see the white text indicating all the changes and everything, and also showing the link to our GitHub repository, then you'll know it was successful in the pushing and it was sent to the location that we were hoping for. From here, we can confirm if our stuff was successful by typing in the command git status, which will show our main branch and what's been modified, and everything will be white, which means our code on VS Code aligns with the code on GitHub, and we were successful. Now, I'll show you what this code looks like on GitHub. So first, we're going to go to the GitHub assignment links from the Google Drive folder, where we're going to click on the link to our GitHub repository. Here we got project 2 bug navigation, and here this will bring us to the classroom GitHub. And here you'll see in the comment section adjusted the margin of hit the spot, meaning we were successful in pushing our code.